Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on an Isomac. This machine was not holding pressure. It's doing a really good job. It's a little fast. I didn't really tamp that as hard as I should, but here we go. Nice shot. I'm going to show you the steam over here. Quick purge. Nice strong steam. And we'll watch the machine ask for water again. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.